YouTube, what's good? It's your man Get back with another video, back with another trucking vlog. Man, I'm happy to announce I'm back in the saddle, man. But I'm not in black, dog, for all you Peterbilt lovers. Jumping in my yellow girl out there, man. Can y'all see it through the blinds? The Bumble Bee, man. Me and the Bumble Bee been grinding very hard every night. I'm really not no night owl, but the rate is incredible. I've been going out here probably about 30, 40 miles north of Los Angeles County in this little city called Santa Clarita. I've been doing some yard goal work, man, in my own truck though. And what better to do and have than a day cab to be able to maneuver around these lots, putting trailers in docks, taking them out of docks, putting them in parking spaces. I've probably been doing about at least 20 to 30, closer to 30 trailer moves every night. Just gonna keep running this little gig till it don't run no more. And I'm very excited about that, man. You know, what a way to get reunited back with floating gears and maneuvering trailers within a yard and not having to be out over the road just yet. It's extremely hot in Los Angeles, California. I do love how the Bumble Bee, the AC in there blows like an ice cold refrigerator. So anyhow, man, packing up my little lunch. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, show your boys some thumbs up love. About to go out here and get the beef fired up, get the coolant warm, the oil warm, which it should be extremely warm right now. We've been experiencing some crazy hot weather in the Los Angeles area. So without any further ado, we're gonna jump right into the vlog. I've been working 12 hours a night. Like I said, I'm not a night owl. My shift starts at 3, I get off at 3 a.m. It's cool. I kind of been feeling a little discombobulated because I'm normally an early riser, up at 4 or 5 in the morning, and I didn't lay down till 4 in the morning last night. So it's gonna take some getting used to. And right here, fueling up. This is highway robbery right here, man. Look what $200 get you. $6.93 a gallon. $200 get a cat 28 gallons of fuel, man. That's ridiculous, y'all. Oh, it is what it is, man. At least this thing get much, much better fuel mileage than the damn black dog. Called myself leaving 30 minutes earlier, man. This traffic, this is something that you can never get used to, guys. I was actually 30 minutes late yesterday with the time getting there due to the traffic, so I figured I'd leave 30 minutes earlier. And thought, you know, it would be a little bit lighter out here, but this is ridiculous. 7-lane highway look like this all day long until I'm driving home at 4 o'clock in the morning and it's wide open, split open like the Red Sea. But I'm out here making my way, making good time, air blowing. We fueled up, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, ready to go make these trailer moves, get this bread, and keep trucking, y'all. Alrighty, people, so I have arrived here at CN08 in the hot, beautiful Santa Clarita, California mountains. Looks a little bit quiet here. I see the 2 yard jockeys that work for Amazon. They was over there sitting in the guard shack cooling out. But what I did notice is kind of just a few trailer moves during the daytime. Seems like I've noticed in between around like between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. it just goes crazy in here. This is obviously some type of major distribution center, as they all have been. I know when I was doing that port work for Next Trucking, I was bringing a lot of containers here, so they pretty much swapped out this whole facility. And whatever type of operations they got going on now, it is a lot of traffic here, a lot of loads leaving in and out. Glad to be a part of just being able to be here and be of some assistance to these folks. Oh man, another scorcher. So one thing I do look forward to is when the sun goes down at 8 p.m. I'm here, man. Extremely high fire time right now. But I noticed how they had these gates up right here. This is a trip because about a week ago I seen damn coyotes running all down through here. So I guess this obviously is preventing thieves from coming up in here, but also I'm sure all the wildlife that runs down throughout these hillsides, man. This rubber's still looking super chunky on the Bumble Bee. I already did my pre-trip. Do my little post-trip travel in here from the house. Looking good, man. Bumble Bee holding up and purring like a champ. Man, truck life, I'm back at it, y'all. So get up in here and wait for this device to start ringing and give me a jingle. I actually should go park east side of this building, get some of that sun off me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull over there because this bad boy is kicking, man. It's the best move I ever did when I was spending all that money on the Bee was get this AC blowing in here. This bad boy is kicking, man. Y'all hear it? Yes, sir. Getting the cut, man. Get ready to start moving these blue whales around the facility. Crazy how you can make so much more, like damn near 10 times more than what these single trailer moves pay. Taking loads up out of here and yeah, these yard houses, man, if you're looking for a yard house job, they definitely hiring up in here, or if they ain't hiring, they sure need the guys. I'm sure they do, man. It's a good cracking in here. Okay, first trailer move of the day. You're taking it out of dock door 304. Last four of the trailer. 2055. We're looking for 2055 attached to the trailer. Inspected the trailer. It's an empty. We're taking over to parking space 605. Okay, man. Let's get this boy connected. This up off the ground, maybe a couple more inches. We ain't going far. Right there is good. Oh, we did the tug test, got a good connection there. Let's get this boy over to parking space 605, man. Try to keep a count, an accurate count. That's one so far. trailer number 1. Man, I really love this truck. I mean, not just because it's my first truck and the ton of money that I put into it, but just, I don't know, man. It's just, this truck is awesome. It's been nothing but good to me outside of depleting a lot of money from my wallet. This is an excellent running machine, man. I cannot convince my son to get in this thing and practice and figure out how to drive a 10-speed for nothing in the world. Even me and wifey was playing with him yesterday and had told him that, told him at least trying to make a few more dollars, at least go get with Amazon truck. And anyhow, he's spoiled with them automatic trucks. We played around with him like, wife was like, yeah, your dad done hired a driver for the Bumble Bee. We got to ask him questions, talking about my dad ain't got nobody in there. He don't want nobody tearing up that clutch, which he's absolutely right about that, man. Spend all this money on this thing, you got to be careful, man. I got to get somebody here that's going to treat the Bumble Bee like it's theirs, you know what I mean? Which really, in all actuality, it is their truck. If it's giving them a paycheck every week, you know what I mean? It's paying you every week and getting you to these job sites and will be taking care of you, so it is your truck, man. As long as you got the keys and you in possession of it, treat it like it's yours, you know what I mean? Integrity. Okay, if you is a company driver, for any company, man, any company driver, respect the equipment, man. Treat it like it's yours, because it is yours as long as you got the keys and you getting the checkup off of it. But yeah, got a few more hours until that vicious monster right there goes down. And I can kill the engine as opposed to sitting here idling. It's got to be at least 102 right now. A little quieter today. I don't know what the action gonna be like, but we'll see. As long as I'm in the paint, locked and loaded and ready to go, man, I'm here.
Few moments later.
Okay, I got another one, Doc Door 332, last four trailer 5514. Let's go get it. Thing is, pacing yourself too, man. These yard goat guys who actually work for Amazon, they keep seeing me rushing over there, every trailer moving, and they gonna stay over there in the guard shack up under the air, man, wiggling their toes. Talking about what they got planned for this weekend. And a real grinders out here in the sun, backing up under these blue whales, tugging on them in and putting them where they need them to be. So it's kind of like pace myself. I'll do a few and then I'll see a few lows pop up on the thing, a few trailer moves, and I won't click on it, let them come get it. So get in here, man. Let me give you this dang on radio. Keeps making all this noise. I don't need this radio. They probably listening. Probably a listening device. They want to contact me. Let them come pull up on me. That's a big one. Man, so I'm just at 5 hours in. 7 more hours to knock down. Been sitting right here in this spot for about an hour and a half. Just had my lunch. Put one of these sticks in the air. Definitely a lot cooler on this side of the building. That sun is on that western side, blazing. Cool little breeze coming through here. Last night it actually got a little chilly. I ended up putting on my other vest and, you know, put this one on top of there. But Yeah, should be dark in another hour and a half, 2 hours, cool down a little bit, and wrap up these hours just out here cooling, reflecting on everything I've been doing and grinding. I'm really ready to get back all over the road, man. I was going to be leaving before I started this, but I was like, shit, I'm making great money to stay local, to stay within the yard, not out in traffic and around all these maniacs on the highway. So I most definitely will always, every time, choose this over getting out over that highway or just doing any local work, running around on these freeways in the Los Angeles area. If I can stay within one of these Amazon facilities, moving these trailers around, getting paid what they're paying me daily, I mean, I wish I could get locked in on something like this, man, for several months. I would love it. I'm sure my body would get used to it and come accustomed to being up all through the night. But, you know, I would love that to happen. So until it does, I'm still all over the place with it. Spot market grinding. Cold part about California is, man, you're going to get some nice, hefty, large paying the best leaving up out of here. But whenever it's time for me to work my way back home, it's just crumbs, man. It's a little bit more, but that little bit more is going in the damn fuel tanks, you know? So that's how I always end up going out and getting stuck and just staying out to really make it worth my while, you know, as opposed to running back and forth across the country, man. Out of California and back into California, cutting across that desert and going through those mountains. You know, I'd rather just stay in the Midwest like I normally do. But hopefully these people can keep me here doing this. And your boy ain't got to go nowhere, man. Truck life.
8:01 p.m.
Electric joint right there. Didn't even hear him coming by me. All I heard was the tires rolling. Still going strong, fellas. This bad boy got some crazy movement, man. It's off the chain. It's crazy when you work on these facilities doing these yard hostlerships. You get to truly see how he transpires in here, man. He's through that entry gate over there. Right over through there. And just maneuvering figure eights, man. The yard guy that works here, he seen me running so hard, he was like, man, Cornell, take a break, man. Relax. What time is it, man? It's 15 minutes to 1. I got 2 more hours, fellas. 12-hour shift, 3 to 3. That first 6-7 hours be a breeze. That last 6, like I say, I'm not no nod out, but this job is definitely making me one. So it's slowed down tremendously. They get the crazy rush, like I say, between like 8 and 10. It just goes crazy in here. So they steady bringing it in, steady taking it out. We steady putting it in the doors and taking them out of the doors and getting them ready for whatever it is they're doing on the inside. This is a cold machine, well oiled and never stops moving. All right, man, the day is over. 4 a.m. on my way to the nest. Should be home in about 30 minutes, y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me today. Be sure to show me some thumbs up love. Truck life, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm super tired. I'm grinding real hard. Get up tomorrow and do it again.